Welcome back. Well, with my workshop pretty much done, I'm finally getting back to doing a project. So this is my next project. It's a XS750 Special from 1979. I purchased this a couple of months ago, and there's a bit of a story behind it where the owner appears to have spent a fair bit of money on this bike, and the engine was supposedly rebuilt, and they went for a ride, and something like 50-kilometer ride, got back and the engine was sounding a bit strange, and the next morning it was completely seized. So they pretty much gave up on it when there was a lack of help from the person that built it, and I'm going to try to rebuild this. I have no idea what's wrong with it. It'll be very interesting to see how a bike can do so little kilometers and fail like this. Now, everything in these boxes should be what I need to complete the build, and there's also that spare bottom end, and I'll see how I go, how much of that I need or not. Some of you might know I've done the XJ650, so this is similar, but it's a triple. It supposedly has a big bore kit, but I must say I'm not 100% sure about that. I'll measure things up. The tyres are new, the tank looks okay. I think the front discs are a bit seized because it's very hard to push around at the moment, and I need to clean this up really nicely. So what I'm going to do is rebuild it and give it a clean up, and then I'll probably just sell it. So I put it up there. It is a bit of work to push, as I said, because that brake's seized, and I think it's going to be quite a good project. The tank's been resprayed, the seat's been replaced, so all the peripheral stuff's pretty good. In the next video, what I'll do is I'll pull the engine out, find out what actually went wrong with it, and I'll start rebuilding it. If you're interested in this build, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.